Meron po bang increase sa salary nung na-regularize kayo? English din ba yung interview kahit nang ina-applyan mo is a non-voice or back office?
What's up, Meta Peeps? Since nabitin tayo sa ating first episode of our ambush interview here in BGC,
Bumalik tayo para makipagkwentuhan ulit, but this time we're going to ask their reason bakit nila napiling maging call center agent dito sa BGC. Kaya tara, makichika na tayo sa kanila. Ilang years na kayo sa BPO industry?
11 years.
17.
Probably 2 years. This is my first job. First job as
Bakit mo napiling mag-call center?
Related sa course ko.
For me, mas malaki kasi yung sahudan kaysa sa like normal job na minimum lang. I prefer this job.
Kasi both kaming IT graduate. Mahirap maghanap ng work for kung gusto naming path. Medyo IT related naman yung work namin. So, it's fine naman, I guess.
Pwede ka naman mag-upscale kung gusto mo. So, depende na lang talaga sa tao kung anong path yung gusto nila.
Meron po bang increase sa salary nung na-regularize kayo?
Meron naman. Meron. Well compensated naman. Yeah.
Malaki naman.
Secret, the job.
Secret! Kayang-kayang bumuhay ng pamilya, sir.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Ayan.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, every year may increase naman dito.
Deserve nyo ba yung salary na nare-receive nyo ngayon?
Yeah, okay naman. Yeah. Sa ngayon, okay naman.
Sa ngayon, pero in the near future?
Sana may increase pa, di ba?
Sana may increase. Sir Koy, deserve mo ba yung salary na nare-receive mo ngayon sa tingin mo?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang, pero may chance pa naman na mag-increase. Sana po, sana mag-increase.
Actually, sa workload na ginagawa ko ngayon, much pa nga yung salary na nare-receive ko. Mataas kasi talaga yung pasahudan dito sa BGC.
I think naman, deserve naman namin siya kasi for the past few weeks, okay naman yung gagawa namin. Actually, wala naman masyadong workload.
Well, yes for me kasi malapit lang din ako dito. So, it's pretty decent for me.
Before, nakapag-handle na po kayo ng calls, right?
Yeah, ako.
Roughly ilang calls po yung pinaprocess nyo per day?
10 to 20 calls.
10 to 15 max.
Ano po yung pinaka-longest call na na-process nyo ever?
Mga 2 hours siguro yung call.
2 hours? Ano po yung kinonsern ni customer or ni client?
Kasi yung ano ko is based sa hotel. So, usually client complain, then booking reservation. So, talagang kahaba ng mga 2 hours yung transaction.
Almost 5 hours.
5 hours? Ano po yung specific na parang concern ni client?
More on technical kasi kailangan namin mag-install and uninstall ng mga applications. Then si user hindi siya techie kaya medyo nagtagal ko.
Pero so far, yung end naman po ng call is good. Na-solve nyo naman.
Okay naman lahat, na-resolve naman.
Okay, since nabanggit nyo, di ba, related naman dun sa course nyo yung tinitake nyong job ngayon, right?
Yeah.
During interview, ano yung parang naging process? May mga interviews ba? Assessments?
Yes, actually, every call center meron namang interview and assessment for them to know kung qualified ka sa bibigay nilang account, sir.
Any tips na lang para makapasa dun sa assessment?
Since BPO siya, more on ang client is sa ibang bansa, so for interview, make sure na laging English yung sagot mo kasi pag nagtagalog ka, ligwak ka na. And also, be yourself lang kasi kung ano-ano pa yung pinagsasabi mo sa interview, parang mawawalan sila ng ano eh. So, straightforward ka dapat sumagot.
English din ba yung interview kahit nang ina-applyan mo is a non-voice or back office?
Yes.
English din. So, kailangan talaga good yung communication skills mo din.
Kasi it's important. Kahit non-voice ka, of course, you have to consider grammar. Yun, yung construction ng phrases, na sentences. Yun.
What about typing test? Meron ba kayong typing test before?
Meron, sure. So, kailangan magaling ka rin doon.
Keyboard warrior.
Yes.
How long po yung travel time nyo from your house dito sa BGC?
Ako kasi from Cavite City ako eh. So, mga about 1.5, 2 hours, 15 to 30 minutes lang.
Nag-rent ka ba dito malapit sa BGC or originally from Makati ka talaga?
Dito na ako pinanganak.
Same reasons, malapit sa BGC, we live here. Ganun.
now that we already know the process they've been through while applying, what else do you want to know?
You can suggest by leaving a comment na mga topics na gusto nyo pang pag-usapan natin with our mga bayaning puyat. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for BGC Part 2. If you're looking for a vibrant career dito sa BPO industry, check out the countless opportunities that we offer. Visit our website or you can reach out to us directly to discover how you can become part of our team and start an exciting journey in the BPO industry. Stay tuned for updates on new job listings and exciting career developments. We can't wait to welcome you to our team.